Hello, I'm Joanne Turner reporting for Total Telecom from Carriers World in London, and I'm talking to Cedric Gonin from Orange International Calling. Cedric, welcome to Carriers World this week. You're actually doing a talk here this week on converging legacy networks for future services. So perhaps can you tell us, what do these next generation services and networks look like for these future services?
When we see the explosion of the data bandwidth needs for end users, especially with smartphones, smart devices, and the coming Internet of Things, we are facing an explosion of data bandwidth needs. So we believe that the mobile networks, and especially the legacy mobile network, will not be able to sustain this high consumption of data. And we believe that adding some alternative network in the field of the connectivity will help to sustain this consumption. So especially we think about unlicensed spectrums like Wi-Fi or LTE unlicensed, which will be a good complement for the traditional and legacy mobile networks.
Okay, and some of these future services include roaming, so perhaps you can touch a little bit on how that will play a part.
Yeah, especially for roaming, the customer now want to have the same usable experience when they are roaming abroad than they have in their domestic country. So, but it's not the case today, especially in data, because you have a risk of bill shock depending on your plan. So we see some initiative from operators providing some roam like home plans, which allow you to use your mobile and your devices the same way you use at home. But as the business model on the wholesale is not the same one, and you have to share the IoT between operators, it's really hard for an operator to provide such a plan. So today it's only reserved to the high ARPU customers, so the very high customers. But if you want to have a democratization of this behavior, we have to find a way to provide more capacity to the end customers without increasing the cost. So again, one good way is to mix and to blend the network's capacity by adding cheaper network like Wi-Fi, LTE unlicensed, because it will help to have a global offer, allowing explosion of data.
Okay, and what experience does Orange have in these new types of networks?
So we did Wi-Fi, carrier-grade Wi-Fi networks in Poland, in Romania, and Moldavia. It was basically a Wi-Fi network where you can connect with your SIM card. So the same user experience as in mobile. We just changed the radio link by one technology to another. And it was particularly interesting for those countries when they were moving from 3G to 4G. 4G was not ready 2 years ago, so by providing more capacity on top of Wi-Fi, it was a good help to sustain the need from the customers to get some data at a cheaper price.
Thanks for talking to us today, Cedric, and good luck with your talk.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.